I'm a technician at a dealer, and I installed the INNOVV camera, and it was fairly easy. About 5 years ago, I was on my sport bike. I was sandwiched between two cars, and I thought I was in great shape. I had an action camera mounted to the front of it, but it was not turned on. So it did me absolutely no good. If I had a video, it would definitely have helped me out. I probably would have won the case. The INNOVV camera, it would have saved me thousands of dollars. With this new INNOVV, you don't have to worry about turning it on or off, and as soon as you turn your bike on, it's automatically recording. Very, very small cameras. Unlike most action cameras, which are big and bulky, they're really sleek and they're made very well. They're not cheap plastic, they're nice, solid aluminum. Number one would be a helmet to get, and then number two would be the INNOVV camera.